A team of KAKCHING Police Commando Unit led by Officer in Charge Inspector Muhammad Abbas Khan have arrested 3 drug peddlers along with 714 grams of suspected heroin last night at around 7. A release from KAKCHING Superintendent of Police informed that the trio was arrested during frisking and checking at Chandel Lamkai. A team of IMPHAL West Police Commando has arrested an active member of the prescribed PEPAK-PRO yesterday at around 7 p.m. Police informed that the arrested was identified as Sapam Romi, alias Mocha Singh, aged 40 years, son of late S. Ibobi Singh of Singjamay Mayengbam Lekai, IMPHAL West. Panchayati Raj institutions PRIs of IMPHAL East, IMPHAL West, Bishnupur and Thoubal districts today staged massive protest to demand release of MGNREGS funds, second installment of 15th Finance Commission and honorarium for Panchayat functionaries for the period from October 2019 to March 2021. They also demanded implementation of National Electronic Fund Management System (NEFMS). Narcotics Cell IMPHAL East arrested a mother-son duo from Ketrigao Makaleka Yumkaibam Lerak for possessing heroin and WY tablets worth ₹4 lakh in the international market. The police identified them as elected member of Ward number 4/32, Ketrigao Part 2 Gram Panchayat, Buyamayum Thoibi Begum, aged 45 years, wife of late Buyamayum Abul Khan, and her son Buyamayum Abdul Hanal, also known as Anand, aged 23 years. In this regard, IMPHAL East Police held a press conference today at the SP Conference Hall. The number of active cases in India yesterday crossed the 2 million mark as the mammoth surge of new infections continued to push the overburdened healthcare system to limits. The latest in the series of grim landmarks for the country comes only 10 days after active cases in the country crossed the 1 million active cases mark on April 10th. According to reports, there were a total of 20,30,725 active cases across the country as of last night, the highest active caseload ever recorded in India since the start of the outbreak in March last year. In the run-up to the KHONGJOM Day, which falls on April 23rd, a combined team of Thoubal and KHONGJOM police searched houses at KHONGJOM Laibung Lekai under Thoubal district this morning. Security has been beefed up at KHONGJOM area to prevent any untoward incident ahead of the KHONGJOM Day celebration 2021, police said. Around 60 houses were searched while 180 men and women were verified in the search operation. The government has announced that COVID-19 vaccination will be made available for all citizens above the age of 18 years from May 1st onwards. The much-awaited announcement comes when India has been recording a daily surge of over 200,000 cases of coronavirus disease for the past 5 days. Prime Minister Narendra Modi said during the meeting, India is vaccinating people at the world record pace and will continue this with even greater momentum.